The XRP price is getting close to a major breakout higher in the market, and we are getting close to a huge altcoin season since Ethereum broke out from a multi-year resistance line. So in this quick video, I'm going to share my overview, my exact price targets, things that I'm currently seeing in the market for XRP, for altcoin season, everything that you need to know. So let's get straight into it. First of all, don't forget to like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? I would appreciate that. Let's get into it. So guys, first off here on the right hand side, you can see XRP's price action on the 4-day chart, and on the left hand side we can see Ethereum's price action. Later in the video I will give you my Ethereum price targets because I believe that we're getting very close to a huge altcoin season, so this is important for everyone. But first off, let's talk about XRP, and what you can see right here is that XRP is forming this massive bull flag after a huge rally which started here on the 22nd of June, and we are right now on the verge of breaking this bull flag to the upside. Keep in mind this is the 4-day time frame, so it will take a little while here for us to confirm this breakout. But if we confirm this breakout, guys, then I have a massive price target in mind. Let me share the target with you. So if we take this entire flag pool and if we place it at this exact point here, then we can see that the price target is somewhere around $5.40 for XRP. And to give you perspective from our current position, this is a massive move to the upside of above 60%. So huge opportunity right now here in the crypto market. And it's not just with XRP, it's in the altcoin market in general, because as I said, Ethereum just broke a multi-year resistance line, which literally has been in play since 2021. So I'm going to share the price targets with you. But first off, we can see that almost everyone right now is searching for Ethereum. If we look at the Google Trends indicator with the search term ETH worldwide, we can see a massive spike here in search interest for Ethereum. So this is insane, and that also of course has to do with the massive breakout that we're right now seeing. Also, if we take a look at the altcoin season index, we're still not in an altcoin season, as you can see over here. Typically, you want to be extremely bullish when we are close to 25 on this meter, and you want to sell your altcoins or lock in profits whenever this meter, this index goes above beyond 75, because historically when this index goes beyond 75, we tend to see, I would say, at least a multi-week or a multi-month correction in the altcoin market. So pay close attention. But right now we're just sitting at 41, so there's still massive growth to go higher here in the altcoin space for altcoins. Another super important metric to look at is actually the MACD indicator on the daily time frame for XRP. The MACD measures momentum, and we can right now see a bullish flip or a bullish crossover on the MACD, and the last time that we had this was in June, and price surged significantly to the upside. So are we about to see something similar this time around for XRP? I think there is a pretty good chance for that to happen. Here you can also see it from a different perspective. We have this bull flag breakout, which is right now getting confirmed. XRP is testing previous resistance into new support, so I expect massive continuation higher here in the coming days and weeks for XRP. You can also see that the main target to break above right now is around $3.40. If we break this level with at least a weekly candle, then I expect continuation forward to $4.50 and maybe even $5 or beyond here in the next days and weeks for XRP. And as I said, guys, I think alt season is right now getting started because Ethereum, as I said, broke this multi-year resistance line. The first imminent target where we can expect resistance for ETH is around the previous all-time high, so around 4,600 to 5,000 US dollars. If we break that level with, I would say, at least a weekly candle or so, then we could expect continuation to the 1.618 target around $6,581 for Ethereum, and maybe even higher in the next few weeks and months. But yeah, this breakout for Ethereum looks very strong. We're seeing mega bullish candles here to the upside on the 2-week time frame, so I expect this trend to continue in the next days, weeks, maybe even months for Ethereum and for the altcoin market as well. So yeah, I think the market is getting close to a massive alt season, so this is the time to pay attention. Guys, before we dive back into the video, I want to take a quick moment to talk about something that's been generally interest to me lately, and that is Cortex Trade. If you're trading crypto in 2025 without AI on your side, you're definitely falling behind and missing out. The markets are much more faster, much more complex and more manipulated than ever before, and human reaction time isn't just enough anymore. That's exactly why Cortex Trade stood out to me. It's a fully automated AI-powered trading platform built for this new era of investing. We're talking about a system, guys, that runs 24/7. It uses deep learning models to track price action, news, sentiment, on-chain data, and then adapt in real time. This isn't just one of those bots that just follow indicators. It's an evolving engine that trades across Binance, Qcoin, and Bybit faster than any human ever could. I've been testing it out, and what impressed me most wasn't just the automation, it's the control. You can withdraw at any time with no lockups, no delays, and profits come straight to your wallet. They also offer a full demo mode where there's no money needed, just a chance to see what the platform's capable of. But of course, as always, this is not financial advice, and always do your further research before you decide to invest in anything. If you take your profits seriously, however, then this is definitely something worth exploring in my personal opinion. The links are down below, check it out if you're interested. Also, on the bigger picture, if we focus on XRP specifically here on the monthly time frame, then we can see that we are getting close to another retest of this RSI downtrend line, which has been in place since 2017. And at that trend line, we need to watch the chart very closely. Are we seeing some weakness then? If yes, then we can expect another pullback for XRP at that specific point. But for now, we are still far away from this trend line, but this is definitely something to pay very close attention towards. Also here, if we compare XRP with Bitcoin, for example, we had this upward sloping trend line for Bitcoin since 2021, which provided massive resistance. Eventually, Bitcoin broke beyond the trend line, and we had massive continuation from $69,000 or so all the way to new all-time highs. And the same thing applies for XRP. We had this upward sloping trend line since 2021, and we are right now getting very close of breaking this trend line. And once this happens, guys, I believe the price could literally go parabolic to the upside. But yeah, this is definitely the time to pay attention. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, official link down below. I'm posting additional XRP crypto content over there. But this was it for today, guys. Don't forget to like the video on your way out. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, and I'll see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.